girl, RidaBonita, and you already know what time it is. Today we're going to be eating from Carolina Ale. So go ahead and get your plates and come on in so we can eat and chat. And you already know, before we do that, we have to say this grace. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for this food that you have placed in front of me and my friends to eat. I also ask that you continue to watch over my family during this trying time. And I ask these things and all things in your Son named Christ Jesus. Amen. Hey guys, I know it's always a minute before I do a mukbang. But if you watched my earlier video, you'll already know that I have a family member that is going through some horrible things. I can share with you that that family member is one of my brothers that I am really close to, and he was the one that was in a horrible accident in which he is suffering from a lot of broken bones, fractures, you name it, and I'm only just telling you a couple of things. And we just are praying every day that he recovers well. And it's going to take a long time because of the extent of his injuries. But I do want to thank all of my friends who put me and my family in their prayers. I really, really appreciate it. And I just want to tell you guys, I love you guys so much. And that really, really meant a lot to me. So keep the prayers coming because we're going to need it and he's going to need it so much. So I thank you guys so much for that. So let's get into this food from Carolina Ale. You guys, I got me some fried shrimp, some fries. I have a garden salad with some chipotle dressing. So I'm going to show you guys of what I got. Okay, guys, you know I am ready to get down into this food. I am hungry. I am hungry, so I'm ready to get it going. I got my handy dandy Kool-Aid drink over here, which, guys, I haven't drunk Kool-Aid in a long time. But your girl is sipping on it today, okay? So how my friends doing? How you guys doing? Oh, I got some coleslaw too, guys. Yes, I got some coleslaw. You see that coleslaw? Let me taste this coleslaw, because you know not everybody can make good coleslaw. So we're going to see what this look like. This already look dry. It tastes okay, but it's a little dry. But I got some good seasoning going on. Hold on. This is alright. It'll have to work. I don't know what dressing this is. I don't even think this belongs to me. I ordered my son. This tartar sauce? Yeah, I think this tartar sauce. So thanks for looking out. And this is salsa. So, I am my fork and ketchup. So I hope everyone is doing good today. This shrimp is good. There you go, baby. You can have a piece. Go ahead. This shrimp is good. Cocktail sauce is what it is. So guys, I haven't been up to much. Just like I said, we spent some time in Wilmington, North Carolina. And I'll be back there again this weekend. This time hopefully I'll be able to do some vlogging while I'm there and maybe some mukbangs while I'm there too. Because there's a seafood place that's here that is opening up in Wilmington. So I'm hoping I'll get a chance to go there and get you guys some really, really good footage. That's what I really want to do. I didn't do much of nothing today. Well, I'm not going to say that. I worked all day. But other than working all day, I didn't do much. Oh. I know you guys seen my quick vlog of when we were in the grocery store, because that happened today actually. And the lights went out in the grocery store. I didn't know if I should run or hide. I didn't know what was going on. But anyhow, I had only been in there for maybe 10 minutes. I had only been in there for maybe 10 minutes. So I didn't get to finish grocery shopping. Hence why you see me eating Carolina Ale. I want to finish. What you guys didn't see on that vlog, when I got home, there was no electricity. None. So I was like, okay, here we go with this mess. Something don't happen. And I live near the grocery store. No electricity. In my whole neighborhood. I don't even know what happened. I don't know what happened. But oh well. Those are the things that happen in life, so oh well, it's alright. But I was like, well, there goes me trying to cook something because all my other stuff is frozen. Thought like so I was like, well, might as well order something. I ordered this from DoorDash. Oh, let me tell you. All these different food delivery places, man, they get to be too much. I have a couple of them on my phone that I use, but when I took my children on a little spring break, you know, shindig. While I was there, I used Postmates, Uber Eats. And I wasn't satisfied. I wasn't satisfied with either one of them. I really wasn't. Uh-oh. I mean, I had food delivered that I didn't have no ketchup kind of thing going on. I had Chipotle chicken with no ranch. After I put a special request under the instructions, the lady with the no ketchup She was like, oh, I didn't see it. I just seen it when I arrived here. Just seen it when she arrived. So, wasn't happy. Then let me tell you the kicker part of it. So I get back. When I got back, I didn't use my card or anything, you know, when I got back. This is so good, I gotta slow down chewing. Well, I get a new debit card in the mail with a letter that tells me my card was compromised, so they had to send me a new card. I know where it was compromised at. So now I'm skeptical about using Postmates. Even Uber Eats, I'm skeptical because I'm like, what the world? What's going on? I don't know, guys. But it was strange. It was strange. It was strange, and you wouldn't believe. Since I lived here in North Carolina, since I've been here, I've had, my cards have been compromised probably about 4 to 5 times. I kid you not, the solid truth. And if you have had your card compromised due to fraudulent activity, please leave a comment down below. Let's talk about it, honey, because it has happened to me on multiple occasions, different locations, not even the same places. And I mean, one time it was compromised when I went for groceries at a grocery store, a different grocery store than today. I bought groceries. Somebody had charged up. They were trying to, because my bank is the bomb.com. They were trying to make some serious charges on the card, and at the same time they was trying to make some charges in Raleigh, North Carolina on my card. Two separate cities at the same time. How does that happen? Well, I don't know. These scammers and such, they're just going overboard. It's like they're trying so hard. So hard. And I be thinking, how do they keep doing this stuff? I always be thinking that. But they find a way. They find a way. And now I watched something showing you got to be careful at ATMs, because sometimes when your money comes out, it's a fake piece sitting there. So they tell you when you go to the ATM, pull on the money part first, the money dispenser part first, to see if it's a fake one. Because if it comes off, it's fake. Oh, you guys, I know, I don't know what's going on with my allergies, but I'm trying to talk and I'm feeling congested right away, so I apologize. But yeah, these scammers are becoming a mess. A mess. Really. Let me check this salad out. I do not like dark leaves kind of thing. I don't like it. I'm glad they got the croutons and nice cucumbers. That's nice, but I don't know if anybody else does this. Maybe it's just me, but I will go through my whole salad and pull out all these dark pieces of lettuce and stuff like that. I don't like it. I'm sorry. Maybe it's a color complex. I don't know. But I don't like it at all. Guys, I'm sorry. This is just, it just bothers me. I don't know. It just bothers me. So we're going to get all of this out of my salad so that I can really be able to enjoy my salad. What do you guys got planned for the weekend? That's what I want to know. What you doing on the weekend? What you doing on the weekend? I wish I had some pepper because I love pepper on my salad. But I'm sorry. Kool-Aid time. Alright. I don't like big pieces of lettuce either. I feel like after I'm through, how much salad gonna be left? I know you're asking yourself that. Let me taste this Chipotle ranch. Oh yes, this tastes good. This tastes good. Tastes good. It's looking really, really good. Okay. I'll not be popping stuff on me now. Let's get myself together because I don't know what I got going on, but I cannot be doing no popping. Look at how lovely that looks right there. Friends, I had to give you a closer look so you would see what I'm working with. I'm going to move a little bit of stuff out the way. Out the way for you. This is good. So good. Would you know I've never been to actual Chipotle before? Never. Well, I want to check it out. Everybody says it's really good. But it has to be because I cook with Chipotle seasoning all the time. So it has to be. Here, take a bite. Yes, girl, I know that Chipotle ranch. It's the truth. Try to tell you. I know I'm eating like a fat kid, but it's okay. It's so good. I got the tickles in my throat. I got carrots too in my salad. And big old croutons. These croutons are pretty big. Mmm. 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 The croutons are big, but they're so soft. They're so soft. I expected them to be a little thicker, a little harder, but they're not. That's so good. I think I'm giving Chipotle an A+. I'm pretty sure about it. It's so good. I know y'all want me to talk, but this food is so good. So good. And I'm telling the truth. So good. I love salads and stuff. I just love them. This tomato, it's good. Carolina Ale, Carolina Ale. That ale house. So delicious. So delicious. Yummy to my tummy. You guys, this was so great. So great. It's made me so happy. It was good. I like their sauce proportions too. They have nice size containers full of sauce, which is really good. So very pleased about that. This coleslaw is all right. I've had worse coleslaw, so I think this is okay. Crunchy. Excuse me, friends. All right, friends. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed your meal just like I enjoyed mine. I want to deliver a message for the day. And it's just basically live your life to the fullest. Live your life to the fullest. Don't focus on tomorrow, next week, next month, next year. Focus on today. Focus on today. Tomorrow is never promised. Love now. Love now. Not later. Love now. You know, do these things. You know, hug your family members. Tell them that you love them all the time. You know, that's really important. Really important. Oh, sorry guys, something is in my eye and it just don't want to get out my eye. But yeah, those are the things to do now. And I'm going to tell you guys, if I can get this out my eye, whatever this is sorry. I'm going to tell you guys now that don't be afraid to show love. I mean, my mom, I seen her this past weekend, and when I gave her a hug, she gave me like a pat on the back, a half hug, you know, instead of like a, you know. And so you know what I told her? I said, Mom, I said, you just gave me a half hug. You need to give me a re-hug, and you need to hug me that like you love me and you don't want to let me go. And she smiled at me because I think she was thinking I was being a little dramatic, but she did a re-hug. She did a do-over, and her do-over felt so good. And I know if it felt so good to me, it felt so good to her. So don't be afraid to tell people you need them to do a do-over. You need a do-over. You need a do-over, whether it be, you know, I told you I love you. I need you to love me back. It's okay to do that. It is okay to do that. If you need to tell somebody, you know, you need to redo that. Because I didn't feel it. I didn't get it. You know, I didn't receive it the way I should have received it. Because I love you. You know, and that just means a lot. You know, so that's what happened to me that I want to share with you guys. So, anyhow, you guys already know what time it is. It's RidaBonita. RidaBonita. And you know what time it is. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Yes, guys, you know what time it is. It's time for me to get on up out of here. But before I do that, make sure that you like, subscribe, and you share my video with a friend. And if you have something to say, leave it down in my comments. Okay? Alright guys, it's love, peace, and happiness. And don't forget, if you are new to my channel, I welcome you. And if you're one of RidaBonita OGs up in here, much love like always. Okay? Peace and bye-bye guys.